Now to the breaking news on the investigation into Hunter Biden. A new letter from the U.S. attorney running that investigation undercuts key claims Republicans are making about his work. NBC's Ken Dilanian is following this for us. So, Ken, what does the letter say, and why did the U.S. attorney send it now?
He sent it, Lindsay, because he's trying to counter information that's going through Republicans in Congress, principally from an IRS whistleblower. And one of the big things he said in the letter is that he never sought authority to become a special counsel, which is one of the claims that were made by this whistleblower and repeated by members of Congress. What he did say, though, is that he sought specific authority to bring charges in any jurisdiction without the acquiescence of the U.S. attorney in that district. And this is important because the whistleblower has come forward and said that there were a couple of instances where he talked to U.S. attorneys, one in California, one in Washington, D.C., and those U.S. attorneys blocked him from bringing charges against Hunter Biden. He says that's not true. He had full authority to bring those charges. Ultimately, he decided not to bring those charges. He also said that he got that authority well before a crucial meeting where the whistleblower says, quotes David Weiss as saying, "I'm not the final decision maker here. I don't have authority." Weiss is saying he did have authority. Now, of course, all tax cases at the DOJ have the input of the tax division, which at the moment is run by a career employee at the Department of Justice. The bottom line here is that the Justice Department's position is there was no politics, nothing improper involved here. The whistleblower from the IRS says different. He argues that the case was treated with kid gloves, was treated differently. But here, David Weiss, the U.S. attorney who brought the case, is saying he had full authority to bring whatever charges he wanted to bring. Lindsay.